What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a creative day today. And today's show, we're doing a photo walk. Right now, it's like me and two other people. We still waiting on everybody to show up. Who we got?
John Cost capture the gift photography.
What it do? It's artist Teej here for another link up. You already know what it is. We're making movies, making images, creating life. Link up.
So we're just waiting on some other photographers to get here, models and stuff like that, so we can get this photo walk started. It's raining, but we ain't gonna let that stop us, man. We can still get some good shots. It's a lot of room out here, a lot of grungy type texture going on. We got some graffiti. I think I just saw Bobby just pull up. We got more people starting to show up now. I want to thank everybody for coming out, making this a huge success. I couldn't do this without you guys. And it's not about me. I'm glad everybody just want to come out, shoot, have fun, learn from each other, and just be creative, man. That's what it's all about. This is what the photo walk is about. Just coming together, you know, shooting, being creative, learning from each other, networking, and just building the creative community. That's all I'm trying to do. So yeah, thank y'all for coming out in the rain. Well, it's not raining that hard, so well, y'all come on out. It's not raining that hard. Come on out. Bobby made it.
Yeah, this is a pretty good spot. Well, for this rain.
What you doing, man?
Man, came by to have a good time, that's all.
All right, what we doing? What we doing?
Yo, what's good, man? This photo walk. It's your boy Darius, man, model. Call me D Smooth. Holla at your boy. Holla at him too, man. Best photographer in the world.
Hi, my name is Darian King. I'm out here shooting with the best of the best. You can find me on Facebook at D King or on Instagram at D33.styles with a Z.
Hey, what's going on, people? I'm Ron Records, as you know, repping favorite gear as always. You can catch me on Facebook or Instagram, Ron Records, which is RON space REKORDZ.
Hi, I'm Tracy King, Elegant Model TK with John Young Models, and we're out here about to do our thing, get this the shoot going. And you can catch me on Instagram, Elegant Model TK, Facebook, Tracy King.
What's up, man? What we doing?
Man, I'm gonna do this photo walk, you know. Here to come show my face. Hope that it'll be a good one. It's gonna be a good one.
You bring your camera, Doc?
Yeah, it's in the car, man. I just had to get on out before my back gave up on. I'm getting old.
You getting old?
Yeah, I'm getting old.
Yeah, right.
Always trying to forget. You're always wanting to pretend. I see right through your selfish ways. But too bad I know how to face.
Hey YouTube, I'm Megan Brown, and I'm a plus size model here in Birmingham. You can find me at Instagram, Megan L Brown _ or Facebook, Megan Lucinda.
All right, all right.
I don't know if y'all can see these, but they pretty snazzy.
You see it a little bit. Let me focus in on it.
Hold on, let me get
There we go. Yeah, that look good.
just a few close-ups.
Oh yeah.
Trying to make some shape.
The thing about these photo walks, you get to work with people you always want to work with.
What you shoot on?
I always wanted to work with Megan. She's like, what's up, everybody? Danny Kane. You know what it is?
Hey, my name's Tiara Sherrill.
They call me Justino Bento, and I'm in.
Okay. So the photo walk was amazing. I want to thank everybody for coming out, for making it a huge success. Couldn't have done it without you guys. My man, artist Teej, thank you, man, for everything that you did, bringing the models out. My man, John Cox. I don't want to get into calling names because I might forget somebody, but to all the photographers and models that came out, man, I really do appreciate y'all. It means a lot to me, and the photo walk is not about me, it's about the creative community. And yes, it did rain, but guess what? We didn't let that stop us. We still went out, we shot together. We had some great discussions about photography and the business of photography. I'm so glad I had a chance to meet some new people. Thank y'all for coming out. Hope to see you on the next one. The next one's probably gonna be sometime in March. If you're interested, you definitely wanna follow the Pixel Outflow Creative Community on Facebook, and the Instagram page is Visual BHM. Visual BHM. I'll put the links down in the description below. Please come be a part of the community. I can't wait to have you. Can't wait to see everybody at the next photo walk. I'm going to be posting the information in the group, also on the Instagram page. So be on the lookout. Again, thank you to everybody. I had a blast, I had fun, I learned a lot. All the photographers, all the models that came out, man, I appreciate y'all. Much love. I'll see you on the next one.